Welcome to another vlog. So I'm going to be doing a grocery haul. Sorry I couldn't take you out on the road with me, but I'm doing a mini grocery haul from Mart. So stay tuned. So these are what I've gotten. Special K, red berries, supper jam, jasmine rice, cranberry juice, cheetah puffs, some grapes, and could see the price on that. Gotten some tissue, 4 packs in it, and towel with cream, salmon, salad, blue cheese salad dressing, coconut oil, cooking oil, some Red Bull. I decided to try out the sugar-free Red Bull, so I got 2 of those and the regular tin of Red Bull. Got me some Coffee Mate creamer, the hazelnuts, mackerel, Nescafe, sweet corn, a tin of sweet corn, chunk tuna, ginger tea, Planters mixed nuts, condensed milk, Agandas, dulce de leche ice cream, cheese spread, more corn on the cob, some sausage, and forest fish tender, bread, and 3 packs of Lasco, 2 instant cup soup, springtime laundry detergent, deodorant, 2 Protect soap, cotton swab, and soap, disinfectant spray, a roll of garbage bag, Airwick essential oil, and just a few air products. Also gotten a case of some of these tall bottled water, and I think that's it. Oh, Colgate, got a Colgate Maxi Fresh toothpaste. This one is a gem. Okay, and let me show you the total cost. Alright, so the total came up to about $46,631. Thanks for watching. Have a good one. Bye.